Troy-Bilt tillers are built to last for season after season. They are equipped with several helpful features to make your work easier. With these innovative features and durable, reliable Troy-Bilt construction, your tiller will be there to help you through every summer.
We like to think of ourselves as the guy who does what nobody else is willing to do. And nowhere is that more evident than with our limited lifetime warranty offered on every single Troy-Bilt rear tine tiller. It's something we've been doing since before you had a cell phone. And we believe so much in your machine that we'll repair or replace any part that's found to be defective in material or workmanship for free for the life of the machine. This means that you never have to worry about your tiller when it's in the field. You see, when we design and build our tillers, the warranty is always in the back of our mind. We're driven by the thought that we need to build our tillers to last a lifetime. If there's even a chance something might go wrong, we'll test the problem over and over until we get it exactly right. Our cast iron bronze gear drive transmission is built with the ideal combination of weight distribution, traction, and balance in mind. It has heat-treated and precision-cut gears, a heavy-duty 1-inch diameter tine shaft, and a cast iron clutch that never needs adjustment. Put all the pieces together, and it means that Troy-Bilt stands behind every minute you spend with your feet in the dirt. So here's to going the extra mile.